The 911 has always been a boy's wet dream ever since its inception in 1963. But it got a lot of criticism from its users in the 80s and 90s for it to be notorious to snap oversteer and require a real skill to drive. This is the 8th generation Porsche 911, the 992. This one is a Carrera S, which comes with a 3-liter turbo flat 6 that churns out 444 horsepower and 530 Newton meters of torque. But now, things are different. The Porsche 992 comes with a plethora of driving aids that improve its driving and handling, that makes this car into a complete geek fest, that makes sure that when you run out of skill, the car's got your back. About the design now, the Porsche 911 has become longer and wider. The longness has come from its longer swooping bonnet that has made it a little longer, and wider is because of the flared arches that have made the car wider and made a better stance. It looks like she's been on a diet. She looks fitter, she looks in a better position to take on the roads.
In previous generation 911s, the interior was never quite so special, as the plastics and the materials made you feel like you were inside any Audi.
But this time, the interior has taken an amazing leap over the previous generation. Everywhere you touch, everywhere you feel is just pretty and expensive. I mean, there are a few places like around here and around here, but you can deal away with all this peasantry with some optionals extra.
Big thank you goes to Porsche Center Mumbai for inviting us to this exclusive launch of the Porsche 992. Porsche have priced the 992 at around 1.7 crores ex-showroom, but after all the optionals extra that you would like to have, you could be looking at a price tag of around 2 crores. What do you think of the newer, bigger, bolder 911? And if you were to buy one, where would you like to drive it? Do let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the Drivers Hub. This is Bhavneet signing out.